Hi guys, good morning. So we're here right now at community mass and we're getting ready. So magsi-second reading kami today and yun lang. Busy day today. Mamaya merong event and then pupunta kami ng province after that. Guys, ang saya kasi si Emma at si Ella naging part sa Bible enthronement. Sabi mo, kumusta? Halo po yan si Kuya Bibincho.
Lamo dito sa kuwan? Dito sa kanang upon? Kapit?
Oo.
A reading from the second letter of Paul to the Corinthians. Brothers and sisters, whoever is in Christ is a new creation. The old things have passed away. Behold, new things have come. And all this is from God, who has reconciled us to himself through Christ and given us the ministry of reconciliation. Namely, God was reconciling the world to himself in Christ, not counting their trespasses against them, and entrusting to us the message of reconciliation.
So, we are the ambassadors for Christ. As if God were appealing through us, we implore you on behalf of Christ, be reconciled to God. For our sake, He made Him to be sin, who did not know sin, so that we might become the righteousness God in Him.
The word of the Lord.
We are sometimes like that. We receive goodness from the Lord, and instead of being thankful, di na inunta, makalimutas pasalamat.
So guys, tapos na kami doon sa Ilim Community Mass and we're heading to Asata?
Macdo!
Okay, mag-unsa ta sa Macdo?
Mag-himo burger.
Mag-himo burger? Eman? 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 Hi! Maadto ka sa Macdo? So we just arrived guys sa workshop ng Kiddie-crew ng McDonald's. So I'm with Elijah again. Last year, we're here. Bakit ganun? Yeah, ready na ka? Ready na ka?
Yes!
Yes. So ready na me for surprises.
So, gusto niyo ba makamit ng new friends today? Yes? Are you already friends? Kids, we're gonna go on an adventure today. What we're introducing you this year is every time you register for the Kiddie-crew workshop, you are already part of the Kiddie-crew Club. So the Kiddie-crew Club, kids, can you show me your IDs? Show me your IDs. Oh, there you go. When you turn it around, it's the club card. So every time you present that to McDonald's, you will get an exclusive treat all year round. So, so when you leave, do not throw that card because you will have a special surprise every time you go to McDonald's, okay?
Sweet, good, ani good.
Sunday dress kayo?
Here's your prize, Mom. Nabalik ka. Naghimo ka, Nabi? Wow! Hi! You like this?
Yeah! Wala.
Nanguha siya, guys. Nanguha siya ka ng ice cream. Huwag ka na maligay. Ikaw mo ni kaon.
Oh, wow, we got a lot of people here. Wow, are you all happy that you are all here in McDonald's? All right. Everybody's ready to dance. You will shout music, please. Three, you shout. Music, please. In 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Everybody, jug in place, jug in place. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! Let's go. Yeah, put your 2 hands up. Point, 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 and spin. Hey, one more time. One more time. Hands up, hands up. Point, 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 and spin. Spin, wow.
So guys, we just arrived sa province. Kaya tapos na kami doon sa Mcdo. Grabe oh, ang ganda. So, bibisitahin namin si nanay. Ano pala? Bibisitahin namin si nanay katatapos na yung opera. So guys, we just arrived. Visit kami ni nanay kay kaling opera. Hi, Nay! Kumusta, Nanay? Hello. Amin ko. Kumusta? Asa sa Ate Sara? So guys, uuwi din kami agad kasi meron akong may makeup gig early dawn, mga 2 AM. So kailangan namin umuwi. And yeah, bye na ko ni Nanay. She will go to the hospital tomorrow again for the stitches.